Hi guys, welcome back. Guess what? It's time to do the drawing. So what I'm gonna do, let's see, it says enter YouTube video URL. Okay, so I've got that video picked right here. Let me copy the link. And so let me paste it in. Then it says filter duplicate users, yes. Get YouTube comments. 77, wow. Okay, so now let's see. Start. Here we go, guys. Debbie Walker. Okay, Miss Debbie, it says, love this idea. I have a bunch of paint card samples. My favorite thing about your channel is that you make everything so simple to understand. Thanks for all the great ideas. Oh, and congratulations on 3,000 subbies. Okay, so we want to copy the unique link, maybe. So Miss Debbie wins the grand prize box. Let me go and put this link somewhere. Let me do it in my, I'll do it on a page in my church notes. Okay, or actually, let me go to my notes and put it, sorry guys, I'm probably getting it where you guys can't see. Let me just do a new note and put it in there. Did it paste? Okay. Now let me go back to that because I am also giving away a few other things. So let's see, let's pick another winner. Barbara Jacola. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. You will sorry, my husband apparently needed to get on Wi-Fi. So Miss Barbara, you are the second prize winner. And let me paste that one. Let me pick another winner because we got some more. Sandy Harris. You are the third one. So let me pick two more. Well, we got to do another one because we've already got Miss Barbara. Robin Jamriska. Okay, so let's get that one done. Okay, last one for tonight is Haley Hoder. So, all of you that won, please send me a message. The first one, Debbie Walker, I think is who it was. She is the one that won the grand prize. And all of the other four, you did win something. I have not put it completely together yet, but you guys did win something for sure. So Miss Debbie Walker, you are the first prize winner. So make sure that you, all of you that won, make sure that you message me. So we have Debbie Walker. We have Barbara Jacola. Sandy Harris. Robin Jamriska. and Haley Hoder. So let me go right here. All right, so here we go. This one is first place winner, Debbie Walker. You won the big box. Next, Barbara Jacola. Sandy Harris. Robin Jamriska. And Haley Hoder. All right, guys, I will see you all later. Bye.